By the way, happy birthday to my friend Isaac. So first steps first, you're gonna need to wash your hands. I made chocolate, I made confetti, and I made vanilla. But you could try anything you want. Lemon, that's all I have. You're gonna wanna put in there. Boom! Okay, so now that you got the chocolate in here, you can put this away. You don't need this for now. So another thing is now that you have your chocolate stuff in here, I mean your chocolate cakes, whatever you want to call it, you want to melt the chocolate. So we tried melting chocolate, white chocolate, and that happened, and that's something you don't want to do. Don't swim in that clothes. It's whatever. So we're gonna try again with chocolate this time, and we're gonna melt it in the microwave. So what you want is a bowl, of course, the chocolates, whatever chocolate you're gonna use, white chocolate or chocolate, in this case chocolate, and what you want to do is put it in here, put it for a minute, leave it like that, and you have to wait. So now that the minute's over, what you're gonna want to do is get it from the microwave, and it's still hot, but just don't get it when it's hot, well, unless you want to. Be careful. And all you want to do is just keep mixing it around here, and it's coming out real good. It's actually coming better than that. It's still hot, and yeah, just mix it a little bit. Okay, so now that the microwave is done, I mean the chocolate is done, what you're gonna want to do is check it out, and it's already mushy. I don't know where you can see it. And it's still hot, and you don't want to hold them when it's hot, because you may get sunburns, I think. Sunburns, yeah, that's a thing. And okay, so that's there. So what you want is fudge, and just put in there. So now that's done. Okay, so now you just want to mix it again, and make it all moist. Oh wait, you don't want it to be moist. So now that it's almost mushy, you want to make it, a little sticky, so it's easier to make into balls. So next thing is make balls. So what you're going to want to do is find something flat, and this is all it fits in my refrigerator. So refrigerator, place it right here. Now that that's done, you want to get the fudge balls. Wait, what are they called? I don't know. Cake balls, and get as much as you think you need, and form a ball, I don't know how many I should do. How many should I do?
As many as you can.
Okay, do as many as you can, Roll it, you know how to make this stuff, Actually, I never did this. I just saw it in the video. So, mistaken, I said frosting. I said fudge. I meant frosting. And I'm finishing my last batch here. I just finished the chocolate ones, and Vanessa did the confetti ones. So what you want to do is keep making balls. Just get them like good amount. You don't want to make them too big, too small. So make them round. Go like this if you want. Sometimes they deform when you go like this. Like balls. Oh wait, never mind. Balls don't deform. Oh, this is something you don't want to do, smash it, because we're not making pizza. Now that we got the Cakepops lollipop sticks, so take this out of the microwave. It's still hot, be careful. And what you want to do is, come a little closer, bro. And what you want to do is, don't have trouble with this, okay? What you want to do is just get a little bit and go like this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So what you were trying to do is get a little bit, and don't go that hard on it, just enough, right there. Doing these lollipops reminds me of of Wreck-It Ralph. By the way, you should watch Wreck-It Ralph. You know? It's about that Wreck-It Ralph guy wrecking stuff, and he wrecks the internet or something. It's really sad. I was crying to it. Nah, I'm kidding. I wasn't crying. Now that you got your sticks inside the lollipops, yeah, I have the sticks inside your balls. Now that you have your Cakepops, what you want to do is get the first batch and oops, okay, right there. And what you want to do is just place it over here, you know, freezer for like 20 minutes. Do you have leftovers? I'm just put them in the freezer just for right now because they need to be cold, you know. Yeah, just leave them there. Hopefully it fits. Oh, there you go. Magic. So now that you got your Cakepops from the fridge, I actually left it longer than 20 minutes. You want to take them out. And, you know, they didn't come out perfect, but, you know, nothing's perfect, you know. Except you, of course. So next thing you want to do is decorate, you know. You could use pink ones since it's going to be Valentine's tomorrow. I'm going to use pink ones and not that close, Benji. Pink one, why? Because it's Valentine's Day. And so all you want to do is just throw it in there. Go back. So just mix it a little bit, you know. Okay, not that bad. Come on. And what you're going to want to do is hopefully the hot fudge is fudge. Get your first one. Okay, not this one. Okay, yeah, I'll do this one. And all you do is just mix it a little bit right there. Oh yeah, the magic is there. And okay, not that much, you know. You're not trying to cause diabetes here. And okay, a little bit more, cause you know you wanna put the damn. I think I'm supposed to do that. And so let's try again. Hopefully this is so. Okay, something we should do is put it in the side so it's easier to decorate. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. Oh, actually that's better. And you want to take some fudge out because I mean, like I said, you don't want to cause cancer. And just put it right here. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh damn. Okay, that's something you don't want to do. No. It happened. The same thing happened again. Alright. Okay, you want to go gentle this time because not bad things happen. Okay, right there. And instead of putting it in there, what about we just do this? Oh yeah, look at magic. Okay, it wasn't perfect, but I mean we tried. Now I'm gonna put some in the front. Okay, so that happened, and so now to not waste money and okay, that may happen. That's okay. Tip number 1, you do not want to melt the chocolate on the stove. Tip number 2 is you do not want to make the cake balls big. Tip number 3 is that you do not want to put a lot of frosting on your cake balls. Tip number 4 is that you want a partner to do this. If not, it will take forever. Tip number 5 is that you want to have patience. Why? Because I took 5 hours doing this. Plus, you have to bake the cake. But, you know, you don't want to be stuck here till 12 in the midnight. Thank you guys for watching. I'm not going to be doing a video for a while because I have my life too, you know, and I need to start going to gym. Also, this is what happens when you feed your club. Also, remember to subscribe, like, and comment below.